Stay connected to your little one with the Eufy Baby Monitor E21, featuring crystal clear video, smart monitoring, and reliable real-time alerts. Designed for modern parenting, it offers secure, hassle-free baby tracking for peace of mind day and night. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Eufy Baby Monitor with charging stand, baby camera, power cables, 2 power adapters, mounting plate, cot mount set, and user manual. Product overview. How to set up. To power up the system, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds on both the camera and the monitor until they turn on. Once powered on, they will automatically start searching and pairing with each other. After a few moments, the camera feed will appear on the monitor, confirming they are successfully connected. How to pair. To set up and connect the camera using the app, open the app and tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Then select Baby Monitor. Scan the QR code on the bottom of the camera and power it on by holding the power button for 2 seconds. Turn on Wi-Fi, press and hold the sync button for 2 seconds until you hear a beep. Then tap Next. Select your home Wi-Fi, enter the password, and assign the camera to a baby profile. Once completed, the camera will connect and you can view the live stream on your phone. Installation. Attach the crib mount bracket to the side of the crib and tighten it securely. Position the gooseneck arm onto the bracket and rotate it until it locks into place. Align the camera mount with the gooseneck arm and rotate it until it locks in. Then, align the bottom of the camera with the camera mount and slide it down until it clicks securely. Finally, adjust the gooseneck arm to achieve the ideal viewing angle. Place the wall mount on the wall and mark the positions for the holes. Drill at the marked points and insert the wall anchors. Secure the wall mount using the mounting screws. Insert the wire into the groove of the base, then align the bottom of the camera with the wall mount and gently push and slide it to lock in place. Finally, plug the wire into the camera. Smart features? Delivers ultra-sharp 4K UHD resolution that captures every tiny detail with stunning clarity. Provides clear, true-to-life video in both day and night vision for complete visibility at all times. Provides flexible viewing options by working both with Wi-Fi for remote app access and without Wi-Fi for direct monitor connection. Ensures continuous, secure monitoring at home or anywhere, even if the internet is unavailable. Lets you remotely rotate the camera 330 degrees and tilt it 60 degrees to cover the entire room with ease. Provides a powerful 8x zoom so you can closely view every detail of your baby anytime. Built with a powerful 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery, allowing the camera to run wirelessly and be moved easily around the home. Compact and portable design makes it perfect for travel, nurseries, or power outages while still ensuring continuous baby monitoring. Intelligently detects your baby's cries, loud noises, and room temperature changes to keep you instantly informed. Sends real-time alerts so you can respond quickly and ensure your baby's safety and comfort at all times. keeps every moment safely stored with continuous 24/7 recording directly to local storage without requiring cloud subscriptions. All footage is encrypted and securely saved, giving you full privacy and peace of mind while easily reviewing important moments anytime. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Eufy Baby Monitor E21 from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Eufy Baby Monitor E21. See you at the next one.